Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Well, good afternoon.
Hello, everyone.
Carmelita and I are camped in Leadore, Idaho. For this adventure, we're going up to Stroud Lake. The sign says it's 3.2 miles into the lake. You ready to go see it, Carmelita?
I am. Let's go.
James and Carmelita racing time, wheels spinning fast on a razor line. Smooth at the start, smooth as glass. The trail twists, the trail bites back.
Another R trail, Carmelita. Rocks and roots.
Behind, clear water, calling jagged skies. Rocks ahead.
Yep, dropping down to the creek.
Chasing the edge, leaving it all behind.
It's a rock ledge.
Stroud Lake shines like a diamond's tear. Crystal water cuts through the air so clear. Jagged peaks, they scratch.
We must be getting close to the lake, Carmelita.
Voices
The mountains are looking really big.
Gravel flies like sparks in a fight. Every turn feels like midnight. Rocks ahead, rocks behind. Clear water, calling jagged skies. Rocks ahead, rocks behind. Chasing the edge, leaving it all behind. Hands gripping tight, hearts beating loud. No turning back, they're lost in the sound. Dust on their skin, dreams in their eyes.
Stroud Lake.
The road's a question, the answer's the ride.
Beautiful. Carmelita and I have made it to Stroud Lake, and it is certainly beautiful. Mountain views, crystal clear water. The trail was pretty rough, especially that second half.
Yeah, we've never drugged so many times.
She and I are going to sit here and enjoy the mountain views and the beautiful lake. For now, we have blue skies. But anyway, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.